students, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to talk about a very easy peasy concept है जो related किससे है, communication से. Recently इसके बारे में एक क्वेश्चन आया था, what do you mean by channel richness? Channel richness क्या होता है? So जब भी हम लोग किसी के साथ communication कर रहे होते हैं, when you're trying to communicate with someone else, what is the one thing that you have to decide? The first thing that you have to decide is what to convey, definitely. But the maximum time जो हम fail करते हैं चीजों के साथ, that is the medium selection. We tend to go wrong when it comes to the selection of the correct amount of correct way of communicating the things to the other person. For example, there can be formal communication, there can be informal communication, there can be non-formal communication. There can be different ways in which you talk to the other person according to the situations. So you have to choose the correct type of channel also. So people tend to go wrong here when they choose different channel. If I am talking to my boss, that means it is an upward kind of communication. What is it? It is a formal communication. So what will I choose? What type of medium is best suitable for it? It is definitely email or maybe a telephonic conversation that will suffice it. More appropriate would be email, right? Rather than just messaging nonchalantly that I won't be able to come today, I am taking a leave. I have to write a proper email to my boss. That's a formal message that I have to draft and send it to my boss. So this means that क्या तो आपका formal channel हो सकता है या आपका informal channel हो सकता है. Depending upon the channel that you have decided, depending upon the way you want to communicate, you have to decide the medium, the channel. So medium को हम और क्या कह सकते हैं, या फिर channel को हम और क्या कह सकते हैं, medium of the message. What is the medium? Now medium can be anything. It can be written, oral, it can be, it can be a telephonic conversation, it becomes oral. It can be written, email, it can be electronic. ठीक है, या फिर कैसे हो सकता है, मल्टीमीडिया यूज करके हो सकता है, राइट? मास कम्युनिकेशन कैसे होता है, यूजिंग मल्टीमीडिया. सो देयर कैन बी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ चैनल दैट कैन बी देयर. Now this line will strike you hard. It is not what you say, it is how you say it, right? Sometimes what is more important is not what you are saying. What is more important is how you say it, so that there are minimum amount of entrophies in between. There can be different ways in which you can communicate with anyone, and how you will decide the richness of the communication channel. It is the two things that are involved here. Is the first, the message has to be delivered completely. Kitna zyada, what type of message you are conveying, you will choose the channel according to it. But is the channel good or bad? It is decided on two criteria. One is how much you can convey and how quickly you will get the feedback. These are the two things that you have to think about. How much you can convey and how immediately you can get your feedback. This will always tell you the richness of the channel. So there can be different mediums that you are using. Say paper communication, email conversation, audio recordings. There can be face-to-face communication. But how will you decide the correctness, or you can say the richness of the communication channel? You will see the effectiveness. Kitna zyada effectively I can communicate with you. And effectiveness will come when you have clarity. It comes when you have feedback. So how much I can convey in how less of a time and how much quickly I can get the feedback. These are the parameters. So a communication channel is nothing but a medium, a means or a manner or a method through which the channel is sent to the intended receiver. Here you should also try to read about Marshall McLuhan, who said that medium is the message itself. This was also a PYQ that was asked in the paper. Who said that medium is the message? This is a book that is very important related to mass communication as well as communication itself. You need to study this work, and the name of this writer is Marshall McLuhan. He actually is very famous in cultural studies and mass communication. जिन्होंने बोला that your medium is the message. So the selection of a correct medium is actually the most important thing. On the basis of the channel, you can have different types of communication. How many channels, what type of channels there can be? There can be a written channel. It can be a hard copy or a print that you are sending to someone. Digital formats can be there. Oral, spoken. These are the different channels. There can be electronic as well as multimedia channels that can be chosen. मल्टीमीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, कैसे कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बिलबोर्ड्स दैट आर देयर आउटसाइड, इट इज ऑल्सो अ वे टू कम्युनिकेट. Posters, pamphlets that are sent to you, it is also a way to communicate, but how much do you relate to it? That comes the question. But when it comes to face communication, you can easily clarify the things. So that is the best and the most effective channel. So with this channel, you have to look at the way you are communicating. Is it a formal structure? Is it an informal? Is it an unofficial structure? What type of structure you have to talk, you have to follow. It can be upward communication when you're talking to your boss. It can be downward. It can be horizontal. It can be crisscross communication. कैसा communication है, you have to think and then you decide your medium. On the basis of this, the communication channel will either become rich, या तो वो बहुत rich होगा, या वो क्या होगा, lean होगा. लीन लोग कौन होते हैं? थोड़े स्लिम लोग, पतले लोग होगा, बहुत पतला होगा, उससे ज्यादा चीजें आप बोल ही नहीं पाओगे किसी से. या रिच है मतलब वो बहुत ही ज्यादा हेल्दी कम्युनिकेशन है. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? वी विल डिस्कस दैट एज वेल. सो channel richness refers to the amount and the immediacy of the information that can be transmitted. कितनी इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन हो पा रहा है with the feedback, that is the channel richness. For example, face-to-face communication is highly rich. It is high in richness because it allows you to give much more information than any other channel. So you are directly in front of me. I can talk as much as I want. And it will transmit the message immediately and immediate feedback would be there as compared to a tweet on Twitter. So what will happen? A tweet is a very low kind of a message richness. बहुत ज़्यादा में कम message rich होता है उसके अंदर. Why? Because Twitter will allow you to only use 280 characters to talk and also feedback would be delayed. This means that when the person is directly in front of you, this face-to-face communication is the most effective manner of communication. Face-to-face के अंदर there is a close proximity. Proximity क्या होता है? कितनी ज्यादा distance है आपके बीच में. It is the study of space. So according to the proximity, you will be there in front of the other person and you can talk nicely and this will give a very rich kind of effect to your message. So on the basis of this, we have what? We can look at the various mediums and which is the richer and which is the lean medium. So these are the rich mediums, these are the leaner mediums. Face-to-face is the richest medium because you can communicate the most here and feedback is the quickest. Then you have video conferencing, telephone, two-way radios, right? This can be there. Written or addressed documents like letters and emails. Unaddressed documents like posters that I was telling you or bulk emails are sent. These are the leaner mediums. So the lesser effective ones are the leaner mediums. More effective one are the richer medium. Now what was the question that was asked? Communication channel richness is highest in the case of, एक richness सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ दिख रही है? किस चैनल में सबसे ज्यादा richness है? Television, newspapers, face-to-face conversations or formal reports. And I am 100% sure all of you now know the right answer that it is definitely not television. It is not television because we have to interpret a lot of things ourselves, right? Feedback भी बहुत delay हो जाएगा, तो ये नहीं है. Newspaper के अंदर भी बहुत सारा interpretation you have to do. Formal reports is going to be the least effective, right? It is the leanest of all. But face-to-face conversation is the best kind of communication. It has the highest richness. It is the best of medium. When possible, this is the best type of medium. So this was asked in 2021 अक्टूबर की शिफ्ट में and I'm pretty sure ऐसे ही questions आएंगे. You need to know about these small details in communication and then you will be good to go. So if you still have any doubt, you can ask me that in the comment section. I'll surely reply to you and I hope you're having a wonderful day and you're studying hard. Thank you.